product review, Mary Sun Brazilian Hair Relaxing. 2 days ago, I got my hair colored and had a Brazilian treatment. After more than 48 hours, it's finally time to take a bath. I have to review only one for today's video. Let's try Hair Brazilian Color Protect. Perfect. I just colored my hair. I just woke up, so this is what my hair looks like. Give it a brush. Now let's try shampoo first. Get rid of that snooze in your scalp. Rinse well. This smells good. Massage the scalp. I totally forgot you have to wrap it with shower cap, so I use this Unitop plastic. You can use any plastic, honestly. Leave it for 20 minutes. I can feel the cooling effect. Rinse well, finally. After rinsing the Mary Sun, apply conditioner. Make sure no product is left. Rinse slimy spots. I usually let it air dry, but for faster outcome, let's blow dry this. Amazing, no ironing, just blow drying.